Dear students, today we are going to discuss on one of the systematic design process which is suitable for designing the concepts and the approach. How would you uh, move towards a systematic product development? The name is morphological method. This particular method is used for identifying, structuring and investigating the total set of possible relationships contained in a given multidimensional problem complex. This approach has been introduced the way back by Fritz Zwicky as discovery, invention and research could be possible through this particular morphological approach. It allows small groups of subject specialists to define, link and internally evaluate the parameters of problem spaces and creating a solution space and a flexible inference model. It has been applied successfully in strategic planning and decision support in various domains such as governance of technological development and modeling, the bioethics of drug redevelopment. Even for development of the vaccination, we require to follow a systematic approach to ensure which type of ingredients will make the vaccination to be effective against a viral. Provides an if-then laboratory within which drivers and certain conditions could be assumed and a range of associated solutions found in order to test various inputs against possible outputs. This process is demonstrated by formulating the problem, then identifying the parameters and creating a matrix with parameters in columns and fill the rows with components and create principal solutions and then analyze whatever the principal solutions have been arrived. So this intended to broaden the space of alternatives by systematic search for combinations of attributes and systematically narrowed them down through the results. The result of morphological analysis is called a morphological field. This field describes the total problem complex. And this chart is a method to generate ideas in an analytical and systematic manner. The functions of a product are taken as a starting point. The various functions and subfunctions of a product can be established through a functional analysis. This functional analysis does not guarantee that all the relevant functions are identified. The solutions will form the components in the morphological chart. The morphological method yields a matrix of functions and components. Let us see in due slides the examples which are explained to some extent. It begins by identifying and defining the parameters of the problem to be investigated and assuming each parameter a range of relevant values or conditions. The box, which is constructed by setting the parameters against each other in an n-dimensional matrix. Each cell of the n-dimensional matrix contains one particular value or condition from each of the parameters and marks out a particular state or configuration of the problem complex. Procedure provided here in step by step. Determine suitable problem characteristics. Make all the suggestions visible to everyone and group them in various ways until consensus is reached regarding the groupings. Label the groups and reduce them to a manageable condition, considering the capabilities of the group and availability of computer tools that can assist the process. For example, a product ingredients like color, texture, temperature, and flavor, and for packaging, size, shape, function, and graphics. In case of manufacturing industry, you could see about issues, parameters, including material, function, process, construction, maintenance, etc. The next step is to fill a rigid the matrix with grids having list of parameters arranged along the axis. Now combinations can be identified within the grid. Eliminate those combinations that are impossible or undesirable to execute. Put aside those that you do not want to eliminate but do not want to execute, and develop as many as possible, the rest among. Example here is given with the color having 5 options, with texture having 2 options, with size having 3 options. Together totally we could see like a 5 into 2 into 3, around 30 possibilities of getting solutions. Out of the 30 possible solutions, which are the things could be possible, which are undesirable? Based on that, you could arrive to a solution by analyzing the different combinations. Here one example, what is listed out for an artist looking for new ways of creating an artwork, identifying 2 attributes. One is about material, other one is about canvas. So the material, he is just looking at what he can use it either by ink or oil or dye or clay or leaves. Canvas, he is having the plans of either to use as a paper or wall or window or wood. So when these particular options are being listed out, then putting across the box, morphological field box, where we could see ink on paper, what is possibility? Japanese style, blotting paper. If you want to use ink on wall, graffiti. If you want to use ink on windows, painted glass. If you want to use ink as a material and wood as a canvas, marquetry and bleed rates. And if you want to go for change of material to oil, what are the possibilities of making? Oil, we cannot make out on the paper. We need to go for wall. So possibilities, murals, window, motor oil floating in glass tank, and dye possible on paper and possible on windows. So applied with dyed strips, stained glass. Clay could be done on wall and also on wood, applied directly over brickwork or wood and clay sculptures. Leaves, it could be done on paper or wall or window, where glued the painted over, blown onto the glued wall, or translucent colored leaves. So the way combinations which will be possible, which are desirable, which are undesirable, which are not possible. Based on that, we could cut short the combinations and try to analyze the available combinations. From there, you can just arrive to the suitable mix. There is another example which is given for the bedridden patients to use a walker as exercising product. So in order to make the walker to be designed for them, it needs to have good grip required, improve grip. He needs to exercise legs, he needs to improve cardio, he needs to exercise the arms. These are the combinations. What are the options are there for that particular thing? Either you can go for using rubber tube, squeeze rubber tube, improve grip, squeeze tube filled with liquid, or spring finger device, or tugging rope, or bike throttle device, or wrapping cord to lift weight, or traditional wire spring grip device. These are the possibilities which you could make it to make him to sense that he is improving his grip. Coming to exercise legs, pull cord to power lights, foot pedals to push against, leg lifts with bands or springs, in bite back, resistance to knee pull-ups, thigh masturbation, which will be helpful for him to do exercise for his legs. And for improving his cardio, in bed stairmaster, arm hula hoops, vacuum mole, V-boxing, bongo drums, crank attached to side rail, sky simulator, rowing machine, pretend you're an airplane, conduct an orchestra, bike in bed, going for exercising his arms, sitting up, push down and lift self, scoot across a board, pull ups in bed, pull on rope, remove weight on chest, arm wrestling, punch a heavy bag, lift bar above the head, lift weights by the bed. So these options which are going to be available, and again trying to see like how do I combine these particular things as a single commodity, and what is possible to do it, that could be taken as a solution from going with this structured morphological approach. And the similar lines, one more example is given here. For the function is stabilizing the instrument, moving the instruments, stabilize the distal end of instrument, and reduce muscle tension of surgeon during surgery, stabilize itself. So where possible means are either through hand or stand or clamp or magnet, edge of laryngoscope, wire, and for moving instrument, hand, gates, pneumatics, ball bearing, lever, pulley. The options which are available to do that particular functionality are being put across in rows and trying to find out which one will be more suitable for the problem what is being posed across. Stabilizing for magnet, crosswise, track system, spring, gyroscopes, ball bearing, stand. For reducing muscle tension of surgeon during surgery, instrument stand is suitable, hand platform, pillow, elbow platform, forearm rest, and shoulder sling. Stabilize itself, gyroscope, spring system, stand, magnet, suspension system, rest against stable surface, are attached to a laryngoscope. It looks like the supporting aid for the person who is going to do surgery and not to get fatigue while doing this particular operation. These are all the possibilities which needs to be taken care to develop the supporting aid to do this operation of surgery. So here you could see there is something called as a Zwicky box where you have got like a three-dimensional parameters. One is about materials, other one is of the shape, and third one is about the color. So when you look at that, here the object is being seen as glass, right? The glass with square cross section and having the colors of black, green, red. This is our combination of getting the products. Similarly, when you look at plastic with the shape of triangular with black, green, red. So the combinations are going to be with 4 into 4 into 3. Okay, so nearly around 48 possible combinations which are possible to be seen here, through which we could land up with suitable decision by checking each and every possibility and trying to come out with what is the best suitable solution among available options. So today we could see about what is the morphological approach and how the structured way this particular process could be deployed to do the design and development.